Hi! This instructional video is about writing linear equations. Writing linear equations, particularly in a form of a slope-intercept form, which is generally written as y is equal to mx plus b, where the letter m represents the slope, which is the ratio between the rise over run from the y-intercept, which this letter represents. This is the y-intercept. And using this as a rule for writing the slope-intercept form, we're going to answer some of these questions, particularly one from the homework assignment. So let's look at this page that was assigned one time. First of all, let's look at numbers 4, 5, and 6. It's a simple yes or no question, whether it's a slope-intercept form or not. So number 4, it says y is equal to negative 8x minus 11. So you have to ask yourself, does that look like y equals mx plus b? Y equals negative 8x minus 11? Yes, it does. So number 4 is in slope-intercept form. Number 5 does not. But as high-speed students, you don't just simply say, no, it's not. No, you gotta fix it. This particular one is in a thing called point-slope form. Point-slope form. And the point-slope form is generally defined as y minus y1 equals the slope m times the quantity of x minus x1. So it looks like that. So how do you write number 5, that is in point-slope form, into a slope-intercept form is, well, take everything from the right or left side of the equation and move it to the right side. And along the way, we have to clean all the equation up, simplify them. So how do you do number 5? Y minus 4 is equal to 5 times the quantity of x plus 3. First, ooh, look, there is a number outside the parentheses. Take that number, and we're going to do the distributive property. Multiply to both the terms inside the parentheses. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times positive 3 is positive 15. And write down what's on the left side. And now we're going to bring the minus 4 over. Addition property of equality. So we're going to do the opposite of minus 4, which is add 4 to both sides of the equation, lining the like terms together. And as a result, y on the left is equal to 5x plus 19. And there's your slope-intercept form fixed up. Number 5, that is now a slope-intercept form. How about number 6? Number 6 is what you call a standard form. Standard form. Generally it's written as ax plus by is equal to a c. That's what it looks like, see? See? But how do we take that standard form and write it in slope-intercept form? So once again, no touchy. Don't touch the y. We're going to move all other things away from the left side of the equation. So to do that, we're going to first move the x, subtraction property of equality, and note that on the right side, negative 15 and negative x, they are not like terms, so we cannot combine them. We're just going to write it alongside of each other in a standard form where the x comes first. Did you see that? Now we have to move the 23 coefficient out of there. So we're going to do the inverse of multiply 23, which is 23 times y is divide 23. But whatever you divide to one side, you have to divide it to all the terms. So on the left side, 23 and 23 simplifies to become 1y, or simply y. Now we got a nasty quotient here, but nevertheless, it's going to be a slope-intercept form. So we have negative 1 over 23x, or you could say negative x over 23, minus 15 over, oh, yucky. But there it is. That's the slope-intercept form.